Students, let us see some old numericals from JEE paper. The coordinate of a moving particle at any time t are given by x is equal to at cube and y is equal to, this is alpha t cube, and y is equal to beta t cube. The speed of the particle at any time. This was asked in 2003. See, x coordinate is given, y coordinate is given, and he is asking you the speed of the particle at any time. That means, let us say the particle is going in 2D motion. Okay, so there is a x component, there is a y component. That means there must be an x component of velocity and y component of velocity at every instant of time. Once you find out that, you can get the resultant, which will be the answer here. So whenever you find these type of questions, always think in terms of finding the resultant. So here x is given, differentiate it with respect to time, you get Vx, which is 3 alpha t square. Similarly, y is given, differentiate with respect to time, you get Vy. Once you find Vx, Vy, find the resultant of those two, applying the parallelogram law. So here we are getting 3t square into root over alpha square plus beta square. T square is common here, 3 is common here, so when you take the square, this will go inside root over alpha square plus beta square. Okay, next. A ball is released from the top of a tower of height h meters. It takes t seconds to reach the ground. What is the position of the ball after t by 3 seconds? It was asked in 2004. So draw a sketch. There is a ball is there, this is the tower, and from here it is being released. Whenever you see it is released, means initial velocity is equal to 0. Let us say the height of the tower is, total height is h. So think about which equations we can use. U is equal to 0, A is equal to G here, and let us say if you take the total time, it will reach the ground. It will take some time, let us say 10 seconds, 12 seconds. Let us say it is total time. So that is the time in which it will travel the whole distance. So there you will get one equation. S is equal to ut plus half at square. U is equal to 0. But when you take the total time, you get h. So you are getting an equation for t square here. And he is saying that after t by 3 seconds, where is the ball? The ball will be somewhere in the middle, somewhere. Let us say that height is h dash. So h dash is equal to, again u is equal to 0 and half g. Here now the time will become t by 3. So you will get an equation for h dash, where there is a term of t square. Okay, you have two equations now. So in this, you have to see the options also. Options are in terms of total height, so you have to convert this into the total height. So from here you are getting t square is equal to 2h by g. You put it over here, you get h by 9. So h dash is h by 9. So there is one option like that also, I think. H by 9 meter from the ground. No, h by 9 is from the top. So what is from the ground? It has to be total height minus h dash. So you will get 8h by 9. So option D is the right answer. And here 3t square into root over alpha square plus beta square. So you see which t is, so this is the right answer. Third, if A cross B is equal to B cross A, then the angle between the A and B is how much? Asked in 2004. So it's a vector sum. So if A cross B is equal to B cross A, that means A cross B, when you take it on the other side, minus B cross A is equal to 0. Okay. So you know that minus B cross A is equal to A cross B. So A cross B is actually equal to minus B cross A. This is the relation we know. So this is again A cross B only. So A cross B plus A cross B is equal to 0. So it is 2 into A cross B is equal to 0. 2 cannot be equal to 0. That means the magnitude of this is equal to 0. So the magnitude of this is AB sin theta. Again, these two are not equal to 0, means Sin theta has to be 0. So sin theta curve is like this. It is like this. So this is theta is equal to 0. This is pi by 2. This is pi. This is 3 pi by 2. This is 2 pi. You can see that 0, pi, 2 pi, it is 0. So you have to see the options. Pi by 2, it is 1, it is not. Pi by 3, pi and pi by 4. Pi, it is becoming 0. So the angle between them is pi.